Gold-silver serving tray set. Serving tray set with carry handle steel classic gold-plated design. Set of 3 trays. This gold-silver serving tray is made from high-quality stainless steel, ensuring durability and longevity. The metal is sturdy and does not bend easily, making it suitable for carrying a range of items without fear of damage. This serving tray has a highly polished finish that gives it a luxurious and shiny appearance. The metal catches the light beautifully, adding to its overall elegance. This decorative silver gold tray is perfect for serving tea, coffee, or any other beverages, as well as for serving snacks or desserts. It can also be used as a decorative piece on a vanity dresser or kitchen counter. These serving trays are easy to hold with large handles. Every beverage, espresso, coffee, and tea can be served easily with these metal decorative trays.